Climbing roses are among the most enchanting and versatile plants in horticulture. Known for their vigorous growth, stunning blooms, and ability to transform garden spaces, they have captivated gardeners and plant enthusiasts for centuries. Unlike bush roses that remain compact, climbing roses possess long, arching canes that can be trained to grow along trellises, fences, walls, arbors, and pergolas. Their natural tendency to climb makes them ideal for vertical gardening, creating dramatic displays of color and fragrance in relatively small areas. Growth and structure. Climbing roses are not true climbers in the sense of plants like ivy, which use aerial roots or tendrils to attach themselves to surfaces. Instead, climbing roses require support structures, and gardeners often tie their canes to trellises or wires to guide growth. The main stems of climbing roses are woody, flexible, and can reach lengths of 8 to 15 feet, depending on the variety and growing conditions. These plants exhibit a vigorous growth habit, which, when properly pruned and trained, produces abundant flowering throughout the growing season. Their shoots, known as canes, can be long and arching, and some varieties produce thorns along their stems, which is an important consideration when handling the plant. Flowers and fragrance. One of the most remarkable features of climbing roses is their flowers. These blooms come in a vast array of colors, from delicate whites and soft pastels to vivid reds, oranges, and deep purples. Many climbing roses are highly fragrant, with scents ranging from light and sweet to rich and musky, making them popular choices for scented gardens. Flower forms also vary. Some climbers produce large, single blooms, while others display clusters of small, decorative blossoms. Certain varieties, such as the New Don or Don Juan, are particularly renowned for their continuous flowering throughout the season, providing a long-lasting visual appeal. Pruning and care. Climbing roses require careful pruning and training to thrive. Unlike bush roses, which are pruned mainly to remove old wood and shape the plant, climbing roses need to be guided onto supports while removing any dead, weak, or overcrowded canes. Regular pruning encourages the development of new flowering canes and maintains air circulation, reducing the risk of fungal diseases like black spot and powdery mildew. Seasonal fertilization, mulching, and proper watering are crucial for healthy growth. These plants prefer full sun, ideally at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day, to maximize flower production and maintain vibrant foliage. Uses in landscaping. The versatility of climbing roses makes them invaluable in landscaping. They can cover unsightly walls, fences, or arbors, creating natural screens and adding height to gardens. When trained along pergolas, they form stunning floral ceilings, providing shade and aesthetic appeal. Climbing roses are also suitable for small gardens or urban environments where vertical space is at a premium, allowing gardeners to enjoy a lush, blooming environment without requiring extensive ground area. Additionally, they can be planted in combination with other flowering climbers or companion plants, such as clematis, to create layered displays of color and texture. Varieties and adaptability. Climbing roses include both modern and old garden varieties. Hybrid teas, floribundas, and rambler roses each have distinct characteristics, bloom habits, and growth requirements. Some varieties are hardy and adaptable to different climates, while others may require more protection during harsh winters. With proper care, many climbing roses are long-lived, sometimes flourishing for decades, making them a lasting investment in a garden. Environmental and wildlife benefits. Besides their visual appeal, climbing roses also support local ecosystems. Their flowers attract pollinators, including bees and butterflies, which are essential for maintaining biodiversity. Some varieties produce hips, small fruits that provide food for birds during autumn and winter months. By integrating climbing roses into a garden, gardeners not only enhance beauty but also contribute to a healthier environment. In conclusion, climbing roses are a magnificent choice for gardeners seeking elegance, fragrance, and vertical interest. Their stunning flowers, vigorous growth, and adaptability make them ideal for a variety of landscapes, from formal gardens to casual cottage-style settings. With proper care, pruning, and support, climbing roses can transform ordinary spaces into breathtaking floral displays, offering enjoyment for years to come.